The door panel is attached to the door with a total of 5 screws. The first screw is located under the cover next to the inside door operation. Carefully pry the cover out on the sides and then unplug it. Remove the screw underneath. The next 2 screws are located under the inside door handle cover. This cover is also just plugged in. It is best to use a wide spatula into the small joints on the side and lever the cover away. Remove screws underneath. The last 2 screws are located on the underside of the panel and are freely accessible. Remove screws. Now the panel is only attached to the door with clips. Starting from below, remove the panel firmly and jerkily from the door. You can also take this opportunity to unplug or remove the interior light. Then pull the panel up out of the window shaft. Disconnecting the electrics and the inside door handle. The safe lock indicator light has a small lock on the plug. Pull the lock up a little and then release the plug. Unhook the Bowden cable of the internal control and pull it backwards out of the guide. Next to it is the speaker. Squeeze the locks together and release the connector. The switch console connector is a little more difficult. Pull the blue lock backwards. This causes the plug to come loose. This can be very strict, here in the dismantled state so that it is easier to see. Press firmly when plugging it back in. It then locks itself. Good luck doing it yourself.